Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 26, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. AI 101 Concept of the Week. What it is. AI agents are AI systems that can plan and execute tasks on their own, like a digital assistant that doesn't need step-by-step instructions. Analogy. Think of an AI agent like a personal assistant you give a goal to. They figure out the steps, make phone calls, and report back. How it works? You give the agent a high-level goal, like book a flight to New York. 2. The agent breaks that into smaller steps. Search flights, compare prices, check your calendar. 3. It uses tools like a web browser or a calendar app to complete each step, then returns the result. Real example this week. Prentice, a new AI lab co-founded by Reid Hoffman, LinkedIn co-founder, and Mark Pincus, Zynga founder, is raising $100 million to build agents that automate routine computer tasks. They believe this will be bigger than coding. Why you should care. AI agents are the hottest new skill in AI jobs. Companies are hiring people who can build and manage them. Last week's promise plus AI jobs this week. Last week, we promised how to build your first custom AI chatbot using Hugging Face and deploy it for free. Here's the quick version. Go to Hugging Face, huggingface.co, create a free account, click New Space, and choose Gradio as the SDK. Then paste in a simple Python script that loads a pre-trained model like Microsoft Dialog GPT. Hugging Face hosts it for free. You now have a chatbot anyone can talk to. Part A. Top 4 AI jobs this week. Machine learning engineer at Anthropic, makers of Claude, $180,000 to $250,000. Skills Python, PyTorch, agentic systems. AI product manager at Monday.com, project management software, $140,000 to $200,000. Skills AI product strategy, prompt engineering, cross-functional leadership. AI data center operations at Digital Realty Trust, data center company, $90,000 to $130,000. Skills, data center ops, power management, basic AI infrastructure knowledge. AI research scientist at Prentice, new AI lab co-founded by Reid Hoffman, $200,000 to $300,000 plus. Skills reinforcement learning, large language models, robotics. Hottest role this week, machine learning engineer. Anthropic just launched Opus 5 and needs engineers to deploy it on AWS Bedrock, Amazon's cloud AI service. Part B. Top 3 skills to learn now. AI agent development. Prentice raised $100 million to automate computer tasks. Companies need people who can build agents. Learn in 8 weeks. Prompt engineering. Anthropic's Opus 5 responds better to well-structured prompts. This skill is in demand. Learn in 2 weeks. Cloud AI deployment. AWS Bedrock just added Claude Opus 5. Knowing how to deploy models on cloud is a must. Learn in 4 weeks. If you learn one thing this week, AI agent development, it's the skill behind the biggest funding round this week. Free learning resources this week. Hugging Face course, h/huggingface.co/learn. What you'll learn. NLP, LLMs, transformers, building chatbots. Time tenors free, yes. Why now? You can build your first chatbot right after last week's promise. LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com. What you'll learn. AI agents, LLM app development, tool use. Time 8 hours free, yes. Why now? AI agents are the #1 skill this week. Anthropic prompt engineering. /docs.anthropic.com//docs, build with Claude /prompt engineering /overview. What you'll learn. Writing effective prompts for Claude, prompt patterns, time, 2 hours, free, yes. Why now? Opus 5 just launched and prompt engineering is a hot skill. Deeplearning.ai. Deeplearning.ai. What you'll learn. AI fundamentals, neural networks, practical ML, time, 20+er, free, yes. Why now? Build a strong foundation for any AI career. Start here today. LangChain Academy, /academy.langchain.com. AI agents are the future, and this is the best free course to learn them. AI tools for beginners. Hugging Face, AI Model Hub. Find and use thousands of free AI models without coding. Great for beginners. Free. ChatGPT, best for learning prompt engineering and getting AI help. Free tier available. Google Colab coding in browser. Run Python AI code in your browser, no setup needed. Free with Google account. LangChain AI agent framework. Build AI agents that can use tools. For beginners who want to build. Free. Gradio UI Builder. Create a web interface for your AI model in minutes. Perfect for showcasing projects. Free. Best starting point for a complete beginner. Hugging Face. It's free, has thousands of models, and you can build your first chatbot without writing code. Career Action Plan. Newshook. Anthropic launched Opus 5 on AWS Bedrock, and Prentice raised $100 million to build AI agents. Opportunity. Companies are racing to deploy smarter AI models and build agents. They need people who can integrate, prompt, and deploy these systems. Your action this week: complete the LangChain Academy's Introduction to Agents module, free 2 hours. Then build a simple AI agent that can search the web or check the weather. Free resource: LangChain Academy, httacademy.langchain.com. Complete this Agents module, Lessons 1-3. Result: doing this puts you ahead of 80% of candidates for junior ML engineer or AI product manager roles. Next week preview. Next Sunday, we'll cover how to get your first AI internship, including where to find them and how to stand out. Cloud AI for beginners. Compare and start. Azure OpenAI. Best for beginners who want to manage service with ChatGPT-like models. Free credits, $200. Start. Microsoft Conf. Free AWS Bedrock. Best for accessing multiple models, including Claude Opus 5 in one place. Free tier, 1 month free trial. Start. aws.amazon.com/bedrock Google Gemini API. Best for beginners who want to experiment with Google's models. Free tier, 60 requests per minute free. Start. aistudio.google.com. Easiest for a complete beginner. Google Gemini API. No credit card needed, just a Google account. Go to aistudio.google.com and start chatting with Gemini for free. Week in brief. Anthropic, makers of Claude, launched Opus 5, their most powerful model, 58% cheaper than the previous one. Why it matters. Cheaper, better AI means more companies will integrate it, creating more jobs. Prentice, new AI lab by Reid Hoffman and Mark Pincus, raised $100 million to build AI agents that automate computer tasks. Why it matters. AI agents are the next big skill. Start learning now. Blamed AI for layoffs, joining 20-plus tech companies this year. Why it matters. AI is replacing some jobs, but creating new ones. You need to skill up to stay relevant. South Korea announced a $500 billion plus partnership with NVIDIA to build AI factories. Why it matters. Massive infrastructure investment means demand for AI data center workers. Hosting Avoiding AI workshops that are going viral. Why it matters. There's a growing backlash against AI, but the industry keeps growing. You can be part of shaping it ethically. The one thing to remember this week: AI agents are the hottest skill. Prentice raised $100 million to build them, and companies are hiring. Start with LangChain Academy today. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're already ahead of 90% of people just by watching this guide. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you next Sunday. Don't forget, subscribe every Sunday, 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. Next Sunday, how to get your first AI internship, including where to find them and how to stand out. Drop your biggest AI question below. I read every comment. 15 seconds.